Welcome back to the studio, music creators. If you are producing tracks at home and need clinical precision without going broke, you have clicked on the perfect video. Today, we are reviewing the best headphones for mixing and mastering under $5,000. Whether you are adjusting fine EQ curves or balancing heavy bass lines, we've tested 5 incredible options that deliver flat, uncolored, and highly accurate sound. Check the description below and let's dive right in.
Product number 1. Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro Headphones. Kicking off our list is the legendary Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro in the highly versatile 80-ohm variation. This closed-back studio staple has been a favorite among industry professionals for decades due to its phenomenally detailed soundstage and rugged German engineering. The 80-ohm version sits perfectly in the sweet spot. It provides enough resistance to handle high-output mixing interfaces while still being drivable by your standard laptop output without needing a massive external amplifier. What makes the DT770 Pro truly special is its incredible bass response and high-frequency clarity, allowing you to accurately pinpoint masking issues in your lower end. Furthermore, the plush velour ear pads are famously comfortable, preventing ear fatigue during those grueling 10-hour mixing sessions. The thick, durable straight cable and replaceable parts make this headphone an incredibly resilient, long-term investment for any producer demanding pristine audio isolation and trusted analytical playback.
Product number 2. Soundcore Space One Pro by Anker. Next up is a highly unconventional but incredibly useful addition to any producer's toolkit, the Soundcore Space One Pro by Anker. While traditional studio headphones are wired and lack active noise cancellation, the Space One Pro serves perfectly as your real-world mixing reference check. Mastering engineers know that testing your final mix on consumer-grade gear is crucial. These headphones offer high-res audio with LDAC support and 40mm triple composite drivers that deliver a surprisingly balanced sound profile. When you step out of the studio, the 4-stage adaptive noise cancellation blocks out ambient noise, letting you critically evaluate your mixes on the train or in a cafe. They feature an ingenious flexi-curve design that folds down to half its size, making them ultra-portable. If you need a secondary pair to check how your masters will actually sound to everyday streaming listeners, these wireless powerhouses are a brilliant choice.
Product number 3. Sony MDR M1 Headphones. Coming in at number 3 is the brand new heavyweight champion of studio audio, the Sony MDR M1 Professional Reference Closed Monitor Headphones. Built as the ultimate modern upgrade to their classic studio lines, the MDR M1 was developed alongside top industry engineers to deliver unparalleled acoustic transparency. Featuring specially tuned dynamic drivers, these headphones boast an ultra-wide frequency response, spanning from a staggering 5 Hz all the way up to 80 kHz. This means you hear the tightest sub-bass and the most ethereal high-end air in your mix with absolute zero distortion. The closed-back structure provides exceptional sound isolation, making them perfect for both tracking live vocals without mic bleed and analytical mastering in noisy environments. Weighing a remarkably light 216 grams and featuring thick, replaceable ear pads, the Sony MDR M1 guarantees supreme comfort, ensuring your creative workflow remains uninterrupted during marathon editing sessions.
Product number 4. Audio-Technica ATH M50X. Our fourth contender needs almost no introduction. It is the Audio-Technica ATH M50X Professional Studio Monitor Headphones. This model has dominated the home studio market and YouTube creator space for good reason. Engineered with proprietary 45mm large aperture drivers with rare earth magnets, the M50X delivers exceptional clarity across an extended frequency range, accompanied by a deeply accurate bass response. Whether you are producing hip-hop, EDM, or tracking acoustic guitars, the sonic signature provides an energetic yet highly revealing listening experience. The circumural design contours perfectly around the ears, providing outstanding passive noise isolation in loud tracking environments. They also feature 90-degree swiveling ear cups for convenient one-ear monitoring, which is incredibly useful for DJs and live sound engineers. Complete with 3 different detachable cables right out of the box to suit any studio setup. The ATH M50X remains an unbeatable, highly versatile workhorse for serious audio professionals and enthusiastic beginners alike.
Product number 5. Sennheiser HD560S headphones. Rounding out our list is the phenomenal Sennheiser HD560S, our top open-back pick for critical listening and mastering. While closed-back headphones are great for vocal isolation, mastering requires natural acoustics. The HD560S features an open-back design that allows sound waves to expand naturally, completely eliminating the muddy resonance that can build up inside closed ear cups. This translates to an incredibly wide, holographic soundstage where you can accurately place every single instrument in your stereo field. Sennheiser uses an all-new transducer equipped with a specialized polymer blend that offers a highly linear frequency response, meaning it adds zero artificial bass or hyped treble to your tracks. The angled driver alignment mimics the experience of sitting in front of premium studio monitors. Weighing incredibly light with deep velour ear pads, the HD560S provides the utmost transparency and comfort, making it an absolute must-have for the final mastering stage.
All these models represent the absolute sweet spot of professional audio. The Anker, Audio-Technica, and Beyerdynamic are incredibly budget-friendly entry points into premium, reliable sound. The Sennheiser sits in that same affordable bracket but offers high-end audiophile transparency. Finally, the newly released Sony commands a slightly higher premium-tier price tag.